Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to get higher forms in Voidpet Dungeon in a simple and clear way. So let's get started. Now, Voidpets normally evolve through standard stages, but higher forms, like Greed over here, are special, rare, and much more powerful versions that sit above normal evolution. You don't get them through regular leveling alone, you need special materials. Now, first off, you need a void pet. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to claim pets from mystery eggs in the game, so that's your starting point. And once you have a pet, getting higher forms requires vivid evolution items, especially higher tier mushrooms and vivid dust. These materials are usually earned from time chests, special events, or limited activities, so you want to make sure you check in regularly. Next, you want to go to the specific void pet and you want to upgrade. The game will show you exactly how many materials you need to evolve it toward its higher form. Each evolution brings you closer to that powerful variant. And keep in mind, higher forms are not part of the normal evolution path. They are bonus, ultra rare upgrades meant for players who invest time, resources, and event participation. They add strength, uniqueness, and collectability beyond stage 5. So in short, you want to hatch pets from eggs, collect vivid items, open chests over time, use them to evolve your void pet, and grind events for better chances at higher forms. That's about it. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!